This is the main trading dashboard for the TradingView platform. From here we can, for example, change the ticker that we're watching, switch between the time frame that we're watching, 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, for example, etc. We can take a look at candles, bars, hollow candles, or volume candles. If you prefer line charts, line with markers, step lines, these are all the different types of charts you're going to be able to choose to look from, including all the way down to range charts. As for indicators, if you click on the indicators list, there are a number of indicators that you can use, all the way from personal that you've created yourself to technicals and financials, and finally the community indicators that are shared amongst TradingView users. You can also add alerts to your chart by selecting the Alert button at the top of the screen. From here, you can select the price that you want the alert to go in, have an option as to whether you want the alert to only happen one time or every time. The expiration date of the alert, you can name the alert and put a message for when the alert happens. In the Notifications tab of the alerts, you can choose whether to notify in the app, show toast notifications, send an email to you personally, send a webhook to a website, play a sound within the platform, or send plain text. You'll also have access to the replay feature, in which case if you want to play the market back to a certain point in the day and watch it unfold to practice your trading. To exit the replay mode, simply click on replay again and then exit. You can change your trading layout on the right-hand side of the screen. As you can see right now, I'm just looking at one big chart for the SPY S&P 500. If I want to change that to maybe a dual layout, I can simply click on this button right here and switch to a dual with horizontal split, or you can choose a vertical split, or a number of other ways that you can organize your charts.